Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircut help and what you can do to make haircutting go more smoothly and successfully for your child. This is one video in a playlist, so please click through all the strategies to see which one or which ones make the most sense. Now, sometimes providing some deep pressure massage to the head region prior to a haircut can be very soothing because it can provide some level of desensitization for your child. So if you have a child that is very responsive to deep pressure, you may want to do some gentle squeezes into the head region. You may want to provide them with just a nice deep massage into the head region, so that way you are allowing them to get some sensory stimulation to help prep them for the haircut. This can be very, very effective. So if you haven't given it a try, you certainly can. I would advise doing this 20 minutes before the haircut. So you want to be doing your deep pressure massage 20 minutes prior and then trying to do the haircut. And again, you can pair up some of the other strategies as well, just to help smooth it out and make it the most successful experience. Okay, so give this one a try. It can be very, very
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.